Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add logo to WordPress website. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now what you're going to do is very simple. I want you first to open your dashboard in WordPress, then go to pages right here, then choose all pages, and now head to the home page or whatever page that you want to put your logo in, and click on the three dots right here, then click on edit. And now once you get this page right here, all you have to do right now is to click on this option right here, which will pop out the settings for you. Now click on page, then here beside the template section, you have here this option pages. Click on it and choose edit template. Then as you can see, click on get started. Now once you are inside this page, what I want you to do is to click on this rectangle right here and double click on it in order to upload whatever logo you want. Then click on add new and upload the logo from your own computer files. I'm gonna download this one here for example, then choose it and click on it in order to highlight it, then click on insert, and by this way the logo will be set here, and you can also adjust its size and its place according to what you want. Then after that, click on save again, and now it is saved. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.